Assalamualaikum. Students, today's activity is about big and small. Raida Batul, stand up. Raida, pick up the big object. Hadia, pick up the small object. Good. Zunash, pick up the big object. Good. Hadin, pick up the big object. No, big object. No, this one is big. Big object. Abdullah, stand up. Abdullah, pick up the small object. Wahaj, pick up the small object. Good. Shazad, stand up. Shazad, pick up the big object. Good. Aksa, pick up the small object. No, small object. Aksa, pick up the small object. Good. Arvish, pick up the small object. Good. Rabil, pick up the small object. Good. Abir Fatma, pick up the big object. Good. Usman, pick up the small object. Good. Ahad Raza, pick up the big object. Good. Azlan, stand up. Azlan, please pick up the big object. Good. Shazan, pick up the small object. Good. Muskan, pick up the small object. Adnan, pick up the big object. Good. Sherabaz, pick up the big object. Heather, pick up the small object. Good. Harim Fatma, pick up the small object. Harim, pick up the small object. Harim Fatma, उठाए. Pick up the small object. No, this one is small. This one is big. Pick up the small object. Pick up the small object. उठाएं उठाएं शाबाश उठाएं. No. This one is small object. ठीक है.